Hi guys, 3 reasons why I make today's video about the DJI Osmo Action 4. First reason, the price dropped again to $209, which is the lowest price which we have ever seen. Was only like that on Black Friday and during pre-Christmas season last year. And now it's on a limited time deal. So if you're interested, you can use the link down in the description. But of course, cheap is not everything. Why would we buy the DJI Osmo Action 4? I mean, it's not the latest DJI, of course. There's the 5 out now. But the difference between the 4 and the 5 seems to be very, very minimal, especially regarding image quality. And so I think buying the Action 4 at a very low price is one of the best options we have now for a very good, decent priced action camera. I had already 2 GoPro cameras, the Black 6 and the Black 10. Both have been nice, but not really fully convincing, especially regarding reliability. The DJI seems to be way better than the GoPro. I had so many problems with the GoPros, but only very few problems regarding reliability with the DJI. And we also have much better footage during the night. That was also a reason to buy. And another reason is that I think the battery lasts much longer. You can see that here regarding my experience when we have been skiing last time. I mean, of course, it was not super cold. On the slopes, it was usually at around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, of course, pretty warm. And so the battery didn't suffer from extreme cold weather or so. But still, I've been recording a lot. You can see all these videos which I've been recording. And some of them were even time lapses. Yeah, time lapses also something where the battery runtime of the DJI is much better than with the GoPros. And you can see when I returned to the hotel after skiing, the battery was still on 44%. And I've been really recording a lot, and not only recording, I've also been playing some of the videos after recording. This is absolutely phenomenal. This wouldn't be possible with a GoPro. So that really blew me away regarding the battery, and everything else, of course, is also really great. I'm absolutely, totally convinced that this is the best opportunity. If you have around $200 left and you're looking for the best deal for an action camera beginning of 2025, that's the thing to go, no doubt about that. And yeah, that's it already. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with the DJI Action 4, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.